Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G703. In this video I'll show you how to connect it with PC. To connect mouse to PC, firstly prepare this cable. Connect this part to PC and this part to mouse if you don't want to use it remotely. If you want to use it remotely, connect this transmitter to this cable firstly, and next connect the cable to PC. Turn your mouse on and it's connected. Make sure that the transmitter is maximum 20 cm far from the mouse. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.